New studies show that car crashes are on the rise in states where recreational marijuana has been legalized. Colorado is on the list. However, Mesa County has already seen a decrease in 2018 thanks to some new initiatives. I spoke with Colorado State Patrol, who tell me they still have a long way to go. The consequences of driving under the influence.
He was on his motorcycle on his way home and just flat ran over by an oncoming drunk driver.
Is something Trooper Dan Shermock knows far too well.
It still affects us to this day.
Trooper Shermock is talking about his brother who was killed several years ago. Now that weed is legal, more people are being killed behind the wheel.
In 2017, we had 446 fatalities on our Colorado roadways.
A large portion of those deaths were caused by people driving high or drunk.
Had any marijuana today?
We have a newer program of intelligence-based policing. What we're doing is we're cracking down on aggressive and dangerous driving behaviors.
Watching out for anything that may seem out of the ordinary.
Could I see your license, registration, and insurance, please?
And stopping drivers who may be putting others at risk. But it's not just law enforcement cracking down on high drivers. Local dispensaries are also doing their part.
We got to make a representation for our state just because there is so many other states that are going legalized.
They've taken several measures, such as putting up signs warning users not to get behind the wheel.
They all tell you basically not to smoke and drive.
Because although marijuana gets you high, Shermock and the rest of the community want to keep driving under the influence at an all-time low.
I'll do the best job that I can to keep that from happening to any other families.
The study conducted by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety looked at Colorado, Nevada, Oregon, and Washington and found that the frequency of collision claims per insured vehicle rose 6% following the start of legalization.